My name is Molly, and I am a patient of Dr. Botica's at Forever Family Dental in New Lenox. Dr. Botica does a really great job explaining her procedures to me step by step, and she does a really good job making me feel really comfortable, and every single time I leave, I just feel really comfortable with the work that's been done. I had a cracked tooth, so once I came back for the actual crown, it was all milled here in-house, so I was able to watch that process, and her ability to seat the crown and then get me out the door really quickly was great. I think that's something that really differentiates her from other dentists in the area. I didn't have to come in and get an impression taken and then come back 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later and get the crown. So it was a really nice, comprehensive, one visit type of a situation that makes things for a busy person really convenient.